Do you have an aging fleet of mixers at your facility, sourced from multiple manufacturers? Managing numerous special tools and spare parts can be a headache. Outdated equipment and unplanned downtime are costing you time and money. At SPX FLOW, we have the solution, the Mixer Modernization and Reliability Program, or MMR. Our team of experts will assess the health of your entire mixer fleet, including spares, identifying potential issues before they become unscheduled outages. Through a comprehensive evaluation, we provide a detailed report on your mixer's condition, educate you about obsolete gearboxes and long lead time parts, and provide preventative maintenance recommendations and a roadmap for modernization. This data-driven approach helps maximize uptime by streamlining spare gearbox inventory and lowering maintenance expenses. This program improves efficiency through enhanced mixer performance and product quality. Our MMR program is provided at no cost to you and is tailored to your specific needs. We'll work closely with your team to develop a customized plan that fits your budget and timeline. Don't let aging mixers hold you back. Contact SPX FLOW today to schedule your free MMR evaluation. Let us help you achieve peak mixer performance and profitability.